Yeah, the VIX is starting to move a little bit. It's up. Last I looked, it was up like 5-6%, something like that. But it's in that same range that we've been talking about, John. At some point, I think we might see some form of a breakout. Now, it's going to take the right kind of news to get that to happen, and I'm not saying that's a good thing necessarily, but we'll have to see. We did have that volatility just a week ago. The VIX itself had some unusual volume. There it is right there, those February 37s. Yes, 37s against the 75s. Forget about the 75s for a second, other than the fact that that brings the cost down. That's a spread. They're buying the 37s, selling the 75s. And so basically turning this into a 65 cents, give or take, as far as the option trade that comes from this thing. Pretty decent size, though, 20,000. So something to keep a pretty close eye on, John, I think. I'm not saying it's going to go up there. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that does go all the way out to February. So there is time for this to react, and we'll see. I mean, that was the most recent volatility we had seen in terms of a trade. And I don't know if it's a 50-cent type trade or what. It's not that far away at 65, though.
No, not far away at all. I mean, that guy might, guy or gal, again, Pete and I don't know who it is exactly, folks. But we do know that vol's moving up by about 5 or 6% today and has crested over 17 again. We'll see how quickly somebody steps in about that blue owl situation, Pete.